If you're going to be using Calgary International Airport or want to try something new, I'll show you a service that will get you to your terminal fast and effective, and that's using the YYC Link Shuttle. I'll go over where to find this service, what it does, and how many people it can hold, and more, here on Travel Tricks. Before I get started, thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe to my channel, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. When you get through security and you check to see which way to find your terminal, Calgary International Airport has a free service that will quickly get you to the terminal your gate is within minutes, and it's called YYC Link Shuttle, a one-of-a-kind service. Where to find this service? It's located inside the secure post-security area in the departures level connector. The goal is to reduce walk times between domestic and international terminals. This service is absolutely free, and it connects passengers, especially between gates A, B, and C, to concourse D and E. The YYC Link Connection Shuttle is wheelchair accessible and can be used by passengers with disabilities. If further assistance is necessary, Calgary International Airport has effective accessibility services from the check-in gate to your gate, arranged of course through your airline. The pickup points are located at several stations throughout the terminal area. The shuttles themselves are small, and they hold up to around 10 people. Everybody can use this service, and it runs 24/7 every day on the year. The ride itself takes between 4 to 6 minutes to take you from one end of the airport to the other, and it's fun. You sit back and this automated shuttle service will take you to where your gate is. This service is a one-of-a-kind operation. The route itself does offer scenic views of downtown Calgary and of course the Rocky Mountains. Ride is safe, secure, and worth trying. My wife and I gave this airport shuttle service a try, and it is fast and effective. The ride does save time and your steps. If you miss a ride, another will take its place within minutes. If you have a carry-on bag with you, bring it aboard. Never leave your luggage unattended at any time. And again, you can find this service right after you pass through the security checkpoint. And thank you for watching this video. If you're arriving at the Calgary International Airport and wanting to know where to find the rental car service or the visual route to baggage claim, I have these videos. And please, check out all of my videos and subscribe to my channel, Travel Tricks, as I'm always sharing tricks to help you make your next vacation the best one yet. Thank you.